Hello, and welcome to this lesson on Chopin's Prelude in E minor, Opus 28, number 4, by Liberty Park Music. Let's focus on the left hand first. This piece is controlled based on the left hand. Now, the right hand has a little bit of persuasion, you can say, on the left hand, but the left hand really controls the overall tempo, controls the feel, and we want to really have complete control of each finger in our hand when we're playing this piece. Now, the way that we practice this, put your hand on the keyboard, place it on the chord. So our first chord is E minor over G. Now, we want to just press the E minor. So we're going to use the 4, the 2, and the 1. So think in your head, I'm going to push down the 4, 2, 1 all at the same time. Think it first, feel it in your conscious, and then play. Okay? So now I'm going to just play some of these chords, and I'm going to just press them lightly and try to make everything very evenly. I'm also not going to use the una corda at all, and I'm not going to use the pedal at all, just so you can hear everything as clearly as possible. Don't forget to breathe. etc. So the point of this is essentially we're kind of like exercising our left hand. You want all the notes to go down as evenly as possible. Now, depending on how regulated your action is, this is going to be easier or harder. My action in my piano needs a little bit of regulation, so it's a little stiff for me personally. Now, this is a negative in the sense that it's a little harder to play even, and it's a little bit of a positive because it makes my hand a little bit stronger, or at least that's what I'm telling myself. So, now, do this throughout the whole entire piece. Really just control your sound. Make sure everything is nice and even. Okay? We're going to do this throughout. Now, the right hand always has to be above the left hand because it's the melody. Now, luckily, this is a monophonic melody, which means there's only one note. This is pretty nice if you're just first learning how to voice melodies over harmony. Now, you can place your finger on and then actually literally push the sound. And then you want to start practicing pushing the right hand sound while just gently pushing down the left hand. There, the left hand, it didn't sound. See what I mean? Now, let's continue. Now,